The Casanare Essence Coffee Grinder is the ultimate 2-in-1 grinder for coffee professionals and aficionados. Designed for maximum versatility, this grinder can be used on your countertop or taken on the go with its portable traveler kit. With high-precision conical burrs and a full-range grind of 0 to 80 scales, Essence is perfect for all grinding purposes. It is also the world's first wireless countertop coffee grinder, and it uses Type-C chargers, so perfect for global travel without worrying about plug differences. The wireless and portable features make Essence the perfect travel companion for coffee lovers. Long battery life ensures users can enjoy freshly ground coffee in any outdoor adventure. Meet Casanare Essence, the ultimate 2-in-1 electric coffee grinder. Start your coffee journey today.